Hello everyone, this is Junaid. Today I am going to show you how to use our new laser software EcubMaker laser and how to use it with our new firmware version 1.2.3. So let's get started. First we will download the software and firmware from our official website www.ecubmaker.com. Then go to support and download, click on download. Here you can see first three, one is EcubMaker laser 1.0.0 version and another one is EcubWire 4.1.6 version and latest firmware is TOYDIY 1.2.3 version. So you need to download these three, or first you can download the laser software. We will download laser and then click OK. It's downloading. After downloading the software from our official website, we install the software. Now we will work with our EcubMaker laser software. First you need to do open a file, and from here I choose my own portrait to laser print. You can see. So from here you can see brightness, contrast, white clips. So you can adjust it as you want. From myself, I think it's pretty acceptable. Reduce a bit. And this one is the white clip. You can see how dramatically it changed the printing portion. If you reduce this one, the white clip will be much, you see. And so for this one, I don't want so much white clip in this image. Later you see that 1 bit PWD3, then here is some filter, then here is the option for filling and engraving spread. This one is the main, so important things is the size. So you must have to choose the size. So for me, I want to engrave it on a 100 millimeter by 120 millimeter sheet, and you can see from this menu you can change it, the rotation angle, and from this one is the flip, and from this one you can crop the image as you want. Maybe I want to crop like this, yes. Then this one is the inverted image, and after that you can see the original image, how it changed. This one is the original and this one is the after processing. So now we will slice it. So this one is the estimated time, and now we need to save this one. I will put this name to my portrait. You must have to choose the English name, remember this one, then save it. And after that we will take this G code to our SD card, then put it on TOYDIY 4in1 3D printer. We just put this G code file to this SD card, and now we will put this SD card to our TOYDIY. Turn on the machine, and you can see the screen is lighten up. And don't forget to wear these goggles when you're working with the laser software. And as you can see, it shows that laser 3D printer. It means that the laser toolhead is installed in our TOYDIY. So now we will print our model. So laser printer guide, select this one, then move to the step 1, place the object. So we will place the object like this here, and then step 2, auto home center. So let's click this one. So in this process the machine will do the auto home automatically, auto leveling. So you can see it's raised up. It just done the auto home center. So next we will move to the step 3, laser pre-scan. So let's click on this. So in this step we will place the object in the middle. As you can see, it's moved up and down and right to left to make sure the middle alignment. And if you are not sure in the first step, then you can do it again. Let's do it again. So let's do it again to make sure it's placed in the middle. I think this time it's okay. Okay, it's in the middle now. Next step is step 4, set origin. So let's click and click to done. Okay, step 4 is completed. Now we will move to the last final step, step 5, print from SD. In this section we will select the G code we want to print. So I have saved the file as the rename is my G portrait. This one, my portrait. So click on this and start the engraving. We just have finished the laser engraving. You can see this one. It looks very nice, very clear. And the difference between EcubMaker laser and EcubWire software is these two software is based on two different slicing engine. Our EcubMaker laser software is more professional for laser engraving, and it has more effect and more user friendly options. So you can ensure the laser engraving with our TOYDIY 4in1 3D printer is more professional with our laser engraving software. Thank you for choosing EcubMaker TOYDIY 4in1 3D printer. If you have any questions, you can follow us on our Facebook group or you can email us. Bye bye.